In this video, we will see how to update your digital signature and set your PIN in SpurQuality. This step is important for securing your account and enabling approvals. Click your profile icon to access account settings. Select the Profile option to view or edit your account details. Navigate to the Signature tab to manage your digital signature settings. Choose a file to upload your new signature image. Upload or update your signature image, and then click on Update to save your changes. Enter a secure 6-digit PIN for added signature protection. Click Update to confirm and save your PIN change. Dismiss the success message after updating your PIN. Your digital signature and PIN have been updated successfully. You are now ready to use SpurQuality securely.
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos from SpurQuality.